Hello everyone, this is Jim here. I'm doing a new video about the sniping bot. I did a video like 3 or 4 months ago. It's pretty ancient on the Binance Smart Chain sniping bot, and since then I had a huge feedback on how the bot is awesome and how the bot is working. So I decided to try it again. I was sniping 4 months ago, but I left it because the market took a huge dump. So I don't snipe tokens when there is not a bull run because it's very risky. But we are picking up some steam, so on Ethereum. So I decided to revisit the topic of sniping bots, and I'm receiving comments every day on the YouTube video that the bot is awesome and that it's making money for the users if they do their research properly. So today I will do basically for beginners from point zero how to install the Binance Smart Chain sniping bot from DeFi Mastered. You can see it on the screen. That's his GitHub. DeFi Mastered is a guy that develops trading bots and sniping bots, if I'm correct. He has like 4 or 5 bots that you can check out on his profile. But I'm going today to install the PancakeX Astra, which is a GUI sniping bot. I saw some screenshots. I think if I scroll, yeah, this is how it looks like. I think it's pretty awesome that he offers it for free. It seems that he has a couple of backers and sponsors, so maybe Patreon or some other platform. He's receiving some donations for the coding, so that's absolutely amazing in the DeFi space. And I'm excited to see how it all looks like and works after I install it. So first of all, you click on code and you download the zip. This will download the entire folder, everything that he has, so you get it exactly like he provided it. You download it to your PC, create a folder called Sniping Bot, for example. Now let's scroll down for the installation steps. First step is to download Python 3. I already have Python 3, so make sure you have 3.7 at least. I think this bot works with 3.6 and above. So if you have 3.1, you need to reinstall your Python 3. So after you do that, you install, for example, Visual Studio Code, as you can see here, and then you click on folders, open folder, and you open the bot folder in Visual Studio Code. I'm going to open it and set it all up, and I will pause the video real quick and show you how the code actually looks like. Alright, so I got my sniping bot downloaded to a folder called PancakeX Astra BSC minified, because it's a minified code. I put it in my documents GitHub folder, as you can see right here in the terminal. I click on terminal, new terminal, and this will open the code window directly in the folder, so you can work with it. Now let's see what the next steps are. We open terminal, we already got that, in the bot folder, and type pip install /r requirements.txt. Okay, I already did that. It installed all the modules that you need. I think it's Web3, cryptography, and PancakeSwap SDK modules, so they are already installed. Once we do that, let's see, this will install all the modules. Amazing. And in the same terminal, type python 3 astra.py. Okay, so this is an extremely simple installation guide. It's just three steps. So right now I'm going to type python 3 astra.py, and we will fill the details and see what it does. So let's go with python 3 astra.py. Let's, okay, nice. Oh, I already filled the data.json with my details, so I don't need to share my private key, but you can actually fill it straight up in the GUI, and you don't need to fill it up in the files. So when you open it, these three fields are going to be empty, and the license key is already provided. So what does this GUI does? You can change your color scheme to dark, which is a nice detail. You can see that you can clear the token. This will delete the token address, and you can paste token if for some reason your keyboard is not working. I'm not sure. These are the logs. This is the terminal window where everything happens. You can see if it's sniping, if the liquidity is provided. I will show you in a second. And then on the right side, we have how many BNB we have in our wallet, how many BUSD we have in our wallet, and what type of liquidity pool we are going to use. So if a token is just BUSD paired, on PancakeSwap you need to select BUSD. Sorry. After that, you select the amount of BNB or BUSD you want to snipe with. I would leave these three settings alone, because gas price 7 and gas limit 850,000 is pretty good to snipe instantly. After you click confirm, you can also select auto slippage and don't need to worry about slippage. Now these three terms I had to research a little bit in his GitHub, because it's not self-explanatory. The TP percentage means take profit percentage, and 100 is basically 0. So if you want to snipe a token and sell it for twice the amount, so if I select 1 BNB and I want to make a profit of 2 BNB, I need to select 200, which is basically 200%, and 100% is 0% profit. It doesn't start with 0, it starts with 100. So that's a detail that I think he should fix. SL percentage is stop loss. You can select 50%. So again, if the price of a token starts at $1 and you snipe it and it goes to $0.5, then it will it's a 50% drop in price, and it will automatically sell the token, so you don't lose your entire investment. As for the SL trailing, this is a trailing stop loss. It activates once you reach your take profit percentage. So if it goes to $2, the token from $1 to $2, then your take profit should basically sell, but it's not going to sell because you set your stop loss trailing, and you can set it to 0 if you want it disabled. But what it means is once it reaches $2, it automatically creates a 25% stop loss. So you are always, from that point on, you are always in profit. That's pretty amazing for sniping, because some tokens pump and dump. So this is something that is going to save you from losing money. You always make money with this if it reaches the take profit percentage. So without further ado, let's click confirm. Let's see. It checked my wallet address. It's a valid address, of course. My private key is also correct. Token address is a token I chose that doesn't have liquidity, so I can show you what it does when it doesn't have liquidity. Because this bot waits for liquidity, so you can leave it running and it snipes immediately after liquidity is added. And then I'm going to show you how it works in the trading mode, in the trading bot mode, when it already has liquidity and you want to trade with it. The license key is valid, of course. So let's click on, I have 0.02 BNB, so let's click on snipe and let's see what happens. It should theoretically say that no liquidity is, okay, perfect. So no liquidity, checking again. Let's see, okay, so it's checking for liquidity for a token that doesn't have it every like 5 or 7 seconds. That's pretty cool. So you just leave it running and it's not going to spam the RPC node that this bot is using, so you're not going to get banned, which is pretty cool. And once liquidity is added, for example, if someone adds $1 million to this token and it creates a BNB pair pool on PancakeSwap, it will immediately see it and buy it, which means you will get the best price out of all the people that snipe or buy it, because snipers are basically buying the token at the zero price, at the listing price. So you can get hundreds of thousands of tokens or millions of tokens. Actually, the people that sniped Shiba Inu got billions of tokens and made themselves millionaires within 6 months. So that's the whole sniping community. That's what sniping is about. We are following in the footsteps of the Shiba Inu masters. Now let's close the bot and type python free astra.py again. Pop it open and let's clear the token. Okay, we are going to now search for a token. I did a random search and this is a token called Venus X SXP. We're going to copy the address. You would usually get your address from a Telegram group or a Discord group because these tokens, searching them on Binance Smart Chain scan, you never know what the tokens are. So this can be a shit one. I think it's a shit token, but we will see. Now let's pop it into our token address field. Let's click confirm, and let's try sniping. Let's try sniping with auto slippage. Okay, as you can see, I can select auto slippage. Let's snipe it. Oh, okay, wow. This is pretty quick. Oh, wow, this is a pretty quick. Okay, so let's go quickly. The liquidity was detected. This is the pair address. It has a very small liquidity pool. Actually, so it's a shit token. We bought the token and now it's scanning. Let's see, we can click on sell now and it's scanning the BNB value of our investment. So we are at the 99.99% because we paid the fees. So we are at 100 take profit percentage, that's the 0. Stop loss is set at 75%, that's the trailing one. And which means if this token would go double in price, this would show 0.002 because that would be the BNB value of my investment, and 200%, while the stop loss would be at 175%. So you would never lose money because it's securing the stop loss. This will never move below, it will always move up. That's what I saw in the code so far, so that's just what I think from the GitHub readme and documentation, but this looks actually amazing. Let's try selling and see what it does. Okay, so sell all function initiated, stopping operation, sell order initiated and approving. Okay, nice. So let's try putting in the so this is the buy order. We bought 0.001 with 0.001 wrapped BNB, so it automatically wraps BNB, so you don't have to do it manually. That's amazing. Into $0 of Venus SXP. Okay, nice. And now if we go back to the bot and copy the sell transaction, we sold for 3 zeros 9999. So we didn't even lose money and it was instant, guys. Holy shit. It took like 0.1 millisecond to buy and sell. This is absolutely fantastic. I know why you guys are so excited about this bot, and actually he's giving it out for free for his supporters and for everyone that follows him on GitHub. So I followed him and I know why you guys are so excited in the comments. This is absolutely fantastic. Let's see the dark mode. Okay, nice. So yeah, he actually offers, let's see his GitHub once again. He offers, let's see, an avalanche sniping bot. One of his backers made a Polygon one and also an Ethereum one. I suppose they are going to work the same, just the wallet is going to display ETH, right? And then you select LP and ETH, and that's basically it. Some different gas price and gas limit maybe. But I think if they are forking the versions, then it should be just changing the nodes and stuff. But I don't know, maybe it's maybe I will do another video sniping on ETH and on Ethereum, because there are a lot of good tokens on Ethereum that are launching every week. So I will maybe do a live sniping video. But yeah, we're getting into the 10-minute mark. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, leave a like, if you leave a comment, if you already tried sniping with the bot and if you made some profit. I'm really amazed on how good it is and how easy it is to set up. It took me like 4 minutes to set it up and start sniping. That's pretty cool. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope this guide helped you to install it and run it and snipe with ease. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching and have an amazing day and good luck in your sniping adventures. Talk to you soon.